Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about how to make Halloween door signs. Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make some really fun, really easy Halloween door signs. Have you seen those wood rounds, those wood circles that everyone's putting like hello or hi or welcome to the shit show or whatever it is on those round wood slabs? I love the way that those look, and I wanted to come up with something for Halloween because normally I just have like a fall time garland, but I really wanted something more Halloween themed this year. So I got out my CRICUT and started designing, and I came up with this really cool design. I hope that you guys like it. See it? Let's head over to my blog and I will show you how to get the file. Then we'll head over to Design Space. There's really not much that you have to do as far as prep for this file, but I'll show you a few things and then we'll get to making it. Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out your information and then you'll be emailed the password. Once you get the password, you can click Enter the Library, type in your password, and hit enter, and then you'll be taken to where all the files are. And we're going to click on the Witch's door sign. Click on that, you'll get downloaded to your computer, and we can open up Design Space. Now that we're in Design Space, we're going to head to Upload, and then Upload Image, and click Browse. And we're going to find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, and then click Save. Highlight that image, and click Insert Image. It'll bring it into our canvas. And I'm going to zoom out so that we can see the full design. First things first, you're going to want to measure the size of your circle or your wood round that you're going to use and adjust the image accordingly. Once you've adjusted the size, you can click Ungroup. And you can scroll down to the bottom. I have the yellow circle here just so you can see what the image looks like once everything's completed. You can get rid of that because you don't want the machine to cut it out. Just click the I and it will take care of that, or you can completely delete it if you'd like. But now we're left with all of the pieces that we're going to cut out of vinyl. So I'm going to move all these out of the way because we need to attach some of the images. And what you attach will be completely up to you. It will depend on the size of your the round that you're using and how much material you have. But for me, I'm just going to move some of this out of the way, and then I'm going to highlight all that's left right here. And to group something together the way that you want it to cut out, you just click the Attach button, and it will group everything together just like you see it on the canvas. You can click the Make It button, and I am going to just adjust this a little bit so that everything fits on a couple of mats. There we go. Alright, for this project we're going to need our 12 by 24 green standard grip cutting mat, our permanent vinyl, transfer tape, a scraper, and a weeding tool. Alright, I'm going to just cut everything out. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit so you guys don't have to sit there and watch me cut everything out. Alright, now that everything is cut out, I want to show you the prep that we do for the round. first things first, you can see that I have the butcher paper down, and I've also drilled a hole in my round. You do not have to do this. You can use any kind of picture hanging tools or hardware that you have, but I wanted to just drill it through because this round is a little bit thinner. I've also spray painted it with the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch paint and primer spray paint. And now I'm going to apply the multi-purpose clear coat. Get some in my dish here. Now let's talk about brushes for a second. I do love the foam brushes, but for this one I find the artist brush a little bit better. The choice is totally up to you. I'm just going to paint this surface really, really well. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to come back and do a second coat before we apply the vinyl. Okay, so our wood sign is completely dry. So I'm going to take my vinyl cutout and completely cover it with the vinyl transfer tape. Go slow, rub your hand back and forth over the vinyl decal to make sure that it adheres well. You also don't want any bubbles. Alright, cut that off. Grab your scraper and burnish it a little bit. And lift the decal up. Get that into position there. Alright, now we're going to peel the paper backing away from the transfer tape and the vinyl decal. And now you want to place it. Sorry, I had a little bit of dog hair there on the transfer tape. Place it where we want it. That looks about good. And then rub it with your hand. And then do another couple passes with the CRICUT scraper. You don't want to push too hard. This is just adding some extra pressure, and also you're pushing out any air bubbles that might be underneath the vinyl. And now slowly remove the transfer tape. Okay, our first decal is on, and now we're just going to repeat that for all of the other layers. And your Halloween door sign is all finished. You just need to use either fishing line or any kind of picture hanging hardware to hang your sign up on the front door.
How easy was that? It really did not take that long at all. I really think that you guys are gonna like it. I love the saying, although my husband does say that I needed to, instead of say 7 a.m., I needed it to be like 10 or 11 a.m. If you want to personalize this sign at all, I'm going to leave a link to the font that I used. That way you can personalize or customize it any way that you want. If you need help to upload fonts into CRICUT Design Space, I'll add another link in the description as far as how you can do that. I have a blog post that shows you exactly step by step how to do that. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other CRICUT tutorials there and a lot of good stuff. Go ahead and check it out. I really hope that you do. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you guys later. Bye.